How to export videos in 4K and 1080p from LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and finish editing your project. Once your video is ready, tap on the resolution button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select your desired resolution. LightCut allows you to choose 4K for ultra high definition quality or 1080p for standard full HD. You can also adjust additional settings like frame rate if needed. After selecting your settings, tap Export to start the rendering process. Depending on your video length and resolution, this may take a few moments. Once complete, your video will be saved to your device and ready to share on social media, YouTube, or any other platform. Exporting in the right resolution ensures your audience enjoys clips, clear visuals, and a professional viewing experience. Now you know how to export videos in 4K and 1080p from LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.